Hey, I'm Cookie.
Cookie is suffering through some serious mental issues. Though we all go through some of the problems in our daily lives, but it's different and more serious for him. In such a way.
I don't want to go out. I don't feel like going. I find everything is falling apart. I don't want to go out of bed.
Cookie has some other serious issues too, like severe anxiety before taking exam or a test.
I'm feeling nervous and anxious. My test is about to start. I will definitely fail the exam. I know. I know.
Or having fears of interacting with people on public places like
I want to go home. My body is shivering. I will faint.
these all things are badly affecting his social, personal and academic life. This is the time when he decided to seek help by some mental health professional. What is professional help? What does psychotherapy in psychology mean? How it started and who originated it? Psychotherapy by definition is a number of techniques that are used by a mental health professional to reduce distressing symptoms for people going through emotional trauma. Insight developing is the basic goal of psychotherapy, in which people are given the knowledge about their mental condition. Without developing insight, you cannot make them recover by their illnesses. Most common philosophy about psychotherapy is related to psychoanalysis that was given by Sigmund Freud, considered as father of psychology. According to Sigmund Freud, repressed feelings, emotions, or unconscious disturbing thoughts are the major cause of developing psychological conditions in people. Techniques like free association and dream analysis are used to take unconscious thoughts into conscious ones that become the source of self-insight for patients. Now, the number one is free association, in which your therapist talks about sensitive details of the past incidents which makes you anxious. He asks questions about the details regarding topic you are skipping or resisting to talk about. This is because of mental blocks that are involved in blocking those thoughts to reach your conscious mind. This is the time when your therapist starts pinpointing your areas which are causing you anxiety or he found as problematic. If you go back to the example of Cookie, your therapist will ask questions like, tell me more about the dream which had made you frightened and you couldn't sleep for nights after that. You told me about your childhood memories but never mentioned how was your relationship with your sister. This is the psychoanalytic approach towards psychotherapy. Another famous approach is known as humanistic approach, developed by Carl Roger. This technique is also called as client-centered therapy. This therapy works by giving clients an empathetic and accepting environment by the therapist. Active listening is involved in client-centered therapy. Carl Roger believed that by giving active listening towards clients' sayings, give them opportunity towards self-acceptance. Self-esteem is increased in them by making them valuable and worthy. It boosts their self-actualization too. If example of Cookie is implemented on humanistic approach of psychotherapy, it would be like, So, Cookie, I am here to listen to you talk about your problems and let me know how you are feeling right now. In this moment, in present. I'm listening to you. I won't judge you at all.
I feel acceptance. I feel worthy.
This way, both psychoanalysis and humanistic approaches work in psychotherapy. There are more approaches too that are involved in psychotherapy which would be mentioned in next upcoming videos.